Alright guys, what's going on? Long time no post. I just got done unboxing this 92 through 95 Civic Coupe and hatchback stainless steel 304 exhaust made by 1320. You can say what you want about 1320, but I'm not gonna lie, this is some nice stuff for a reasonable price. Obviously it's not a rep anything. I mean, this is just exhaust piping. Looks like it's kind of got a machine polish finish. It's in my opinion a better option than K-Teller piping. What it comes with is made in house this resonator and a muffler, full from the downpipe back, S shape right before the fuel tank, then hops over that control arm to the muffler. So this is full 3-inch mandrel bent. I have zero complaints. There's one tiny little ding on this resonator right there. It's not a big deal. It's going to be under the car. Cool little details that they put on right there for the slip fitting on the hangers so they don't back out. I think that's really cool. It comes with gaskets, actually nice gaskets. It doesn't have much of an edge on it, but it's a big step over some eBay junk. Grade 8 hardware looks like. Nuts with the locking insert type that all exhausts have. Not bad. These are made in batches, so it looks like they engraved the batch number on every single item that comes with it. Maybe that's just the part number that they use for their reference, actually. Anyways, it's TIG welded. Looks great. I have no complaints at all. It's really affordable setup, to be honest. So from the header back, it's 2.5. Oh wait, am I looking at the right side? Anyways, yeah, it's 2.5 back. It's a 3-inch right here. I might be looking at it backwards. I'd have to get it up on the car and check it out. But that's what it looks like. Muffler. This would be under the bumper right here. Looks just like a Pepsi World Sport 2. Like, literally identical. Not baffled, though. This is straight through design, so we'll see how it sounds. Not bad, though. Not bad. Package weight was 34 pounds, or 37 if you're interested. I'm rather impressed for the price. I don't know how they sell it this cheap, to be honest. There it is. 92 through 95 Civic Coupe or hatch, 1320, full 3-inch mandrel bent stainless steel 304 exhaust. Got any questions? Just leave a comment. I'll be installing this later.